11 Unconventional Ways to Earn Passive Income. In today's fast-paced world, the pursuit of financial independence is a common aspiration. People are increasingly seeking ways to supplement their active income with passive income streams, allowing them to secure their financial future while enjoying the freedom to pursue their passions. While traditional methods of generating passive income, such as dividends from stocks or interest from savings accounts, are well known, there are numerous unconventional and innovative approaches to achieving financial freedom. This video explores 11 unique ways to earn passive income that go beyond the usual strategies. 1. Create a niche blog. Blogging is a well-established method of earning passive income, but you can stand out by focusing on a specific niche. Choose a subject you are passionate about and knowledgeable in, and start creating valuable content. Once your blog gains traffic and a dedicated audience, you can monetize it through various methods, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. Building a successful niche blog takes time and consistent effort, but the potential for passive income can be substantial once it's established. 2. Invest in alternative investments. While stocks and bonds are conventional investment options, consider diversifying your portfolio with alternative investments. These may include investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms, cryptocurrencies, real estate crowdfunding, or even rare collectibles. Alternative investments can provide unique opportunities for passive income generation while spreading your risk. Before diving into alternative investments, conduct thorough research and, if necessary, seek advice from financial experts to make informed decisions. 3. Write an ebook. If you're a skilled writer or have expertise in a particular field, consider writing and self-publishing an ebook. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, you can reach a vast audience worldwide. Once your ebook is available for purchase, you earn royalties every time it sells. Write about topics that are in demand or provide solutions to common problems in your niche. Promotion and marketing are crucial to boost ebook sales, so invest time and effort in creating a strong online presence and leveraging social media. 4. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. While investing in stocks is a familiar way to earn passive income, the focus here is on dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks provide regular income in the form of dividends, which are typically paid quarterly. Over time, companies with a history of consistent dividend growth can significantly increase your passive income. To succeed in this strategy, research and select dividend-paying stocks with strong fundamentals and a track record of dividend increases. 5. License your photography. If you have a passion for photography and a collection of high-quality images, consider licensing your photos. Various stock photography websites allow you to upload and license your photos to individuals and businesses for use in publications, websites, and marketing materials. Each time someone licenses your photo, you earn a royalty fee. Ensure your photos meet the quality standards of stock photography websites and regularly upload new images to expand your portfolio. 6. Rent out your space on Airbnb. If you have an extra room, a vacation home, or even just a comfortable couch, you can earn passive income by renting it out on Airbnb. This platform connects travelers with unique lodging options, and you can set your own rates and availability. Hosting on Airbnb can be a profitable way to utilize your extra space and meet new people from around the world. To maximize your earnings, provide exceptional hospitality, maintain a clean and inviting space, and regularly update your listing with appealing photos and descriptions. 7. Create a YouTube channel. Video content has become increasingly popular, and YouTube offers a platform to share your expertise or creative talents. By creating and uploading videos regularly, you can attract subscribers and generate passive income through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Building a successful YouTube channel requires consistency, quality content, and engagement with your audience. Find a niche that resonates with your interests and target a specific audience to stand out. 8. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Investing in real estate can be lucrative, but it often requires significant capital and active management. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a unique way to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate assets, such as apartment buildings, shopping malls, or office spaces. They distribute a significant portion of their income to shareholders in the form of dividends. Research and choose REITs that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance to enjoy regular dividends and potential capital appreciation. 9. Launch a subscription box service. Subscription box services have gained popularity in recent years. These businesses curate and deliver themed boxes of products to subscribers on a regular basis. If you have a passion for a specific niche or a unique product idea, consider launching your own subscription box service. Once you have subscribers, you'll enjoy a steady stream of recurring income. Effective marketing, customer engagement, and high-quality products are key to building a successful subscription box service. 10. Invest in farmland or agriculture. Investing in farmland or agricultural projects can be a sustainable and unconventional way to generate passive income. You can choose to purchase farmland directly or invest in agricultural funds and partnerships. Revenue can come from crop yields, land appreciation, or leasing the land to farmers. Before investing in agriculture, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence, understand local farming conditions, and consider the long-term sustainability of the investment. 11. Develop an app or software. If you have programming skills or can collaborate with developers, creating a mobile app or software can be a highly profitable venture. Once your app is developed and available on app stores, you can earn passive income through downloads, in-app purchases, or subscription fees. Identify a niche or a specific problem your app can solve to attract users. Successful app development requires careful planning, user-friendly design, ongoing maintenance, and effective marketing to reach a wider audience. Conclusion: earning passive income is a compelling way to achieve financial independence and enjoy greater flexibility in life. While traditional methods have their merits, exploring unconventional avenues can provide unique advantages and diversify your income sources. Whether you choose to create niche blogs, invest in alternative assets, or license your creative work, each of these unconventional approaches has the potential to generate passive income over time. However, it's important to remember that achieving success in passive income ventures often requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. Start small, carefully research each opportunity, and consider seeking expert advice when necessary. With dedication and strategic planning, you can build a diverse portfolio of passive income streams that bring you closer to your financial goals and the lifestyle you desire. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of 11 unconventional ways to earn passive income. If you found this section enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content.